Welcome to Everything Currency. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys about the Ethereum chart, the Bitcoin chart, and some altcoins that are doing some very nice things going into what could be one of the biggest alt seasons and one of the best opportunities to make money in our lifetime. So let's just talk about everything that I'm talking about so you guys can get a whole sense of what I'm saying. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, because we talk about altcoins and everything crypto all the time. So first things first, looking at this fiat leak right here, we can see some of the altcoins that's being bought in the US, and a Bitcoin and Ethereum is going crazy. But also like some notable ones is like we have Scale over here doing a lot of volume right now, and then Litecoin is also still doing a lot of volume right now. We got Pepe and also Uniswap and XRP doing a lot of volume right now. But overall, that Ethereum is going crazy, and it's because of this news right here. Standard Charter expects that the Bitcoin ETF will be launching this week with inflows of $45 billion for Ethereum, but none of this is confirmed, so we just have to roll with the speculation of it being confirmed. And if it's not confirmed, then we could expect that prices will drop a little bit, because some people who are making plays and setting their bots up to this news might lose. So that's why we see like big jumps and stuff happening based on the news. But looking at this Bitcoin chart, we can see, this Ethereum chart, we can see that it actually pumped the price pretty good. We had a nice little volume spike on the daily. Let me pull that up for you guys. Right here on the daily, we had a nice volume spike, getting more volume than we had in ETH since earlier March of this year, where the volume was actually to the negative side. So getting back up to that 4,000 mark is the first area that we need to claim for Ethereum, and then of course going past the all-time high at 4,600 would be very nice for Ethereum. But the one thing that I see on this chart that a lot of other people might not see would be this bullish divergence right here. And what that is you can see we have this going up right here, and then we have this going sideways right here. That's bullish divergence. That's why we see a nice pop, and that is showing up on a lot of the altcoins right now. So that's very telling of a nice altcoin season could be in the cards. When we go to these weekly charts, we actually see some of these MACDs look like they are ready to pop off, especially for Ethereum. When we go to the total 2, we also see it looks just like Ethereum, exactly like Ethereum. And then we have Bitcoin dominance taking a nice dip for the altcoins right now and looking like it wants to go lower. So when Bitcoin dominance goes lower, altcoins usually do very well, and this usually happens after the Bitcoin halving. When we pull up the Bitcoin halving chart, it just happened right now. We'll go down for a little bit, and then Bitcoin will eventually turn around. These bars are just ghost bars of what happened in the previous cycle, so obviously take this with a grain of salt. It's not going to do exactly what it did before, but it could do very similar things. But right now it's actually following it. So if this continues to go sideways for a little bit right here, maybe throughout July, if Bitcoin kind of goes sideways, maybe hits 80k but doesn't go all the way up to like 100k or something like that, altcoins can have a nice time. That's all I'm trying to say. Bitcoin goes sideways, altcoins could be going up and be looking like we have a nice little alt season right here, sending this to either 1.2 trillion or 1.5 trillion for the altcoin cycle would be pretty nice. The 1.2 trillion level is the breakout level, so once we reach that level, that's actually the beginning. So we're headed towards the beginning of alt season, which is crazy to say. Some of our favorite altcoins are already picking up, but like Luxo, they are already beat up so bad that this news of just getting back up to the bearish level is at $4.41, and we need to get back above there. So this is looking like a nice area to buy some altcoins for myself. Now, one of the altcoins that I'm thinking about going heavy into right now and is Layer AI. We talked about this coin a long time ago at like a $3 million market cap or a $1 million market cap. Right now it's at an $11 million market cap, and it has some huge news when we go to their Twitter right here. It says Layer AI and Big Data series continues this week. Over the last weeks, we have collaborated with experts from NVIDIA, Microsoft, Apple, IBM in helping shape the agenda around AI. Over the next weeks, we will expand our collaboration with many more of the leading figures and companies leading the big data and AI innovation. Now, for me, I just hope that they partner with Track and Layer AI, and then they do the thing and it's over. They got what each other's needs, and they could wrap up this whole AI thing and pump those bags to the moon. Let's get it. Layer AI is looking like one of those sleepers in the AI space, being that it's doing these things, and it's only at $11 million market cap right now, which is pretty good. Now, the circulating supply is a bit low, so like right now is the time to actually be in this token and take advantage of some of those rewards, and then take your profit when things go a little higher. You know what I'm saying? So Zksync announced the token generation of 21 billion tokens. This is coming in a couple of days, actually. At this point, in a couple of weeks, June 13th, they have this token generation event. Let's see what we say. What does it say right here? It says the token airdrop is scheduled for around June 13th, before another major token drops on June 26th. So in between June 13th and to June 26th, that's kind of a confusing little headline right there, but in between those days, the token is coming. So we were talking about this token last year, maybe, I don't even know, it was years ago at this point, in order to get into the Zksync airdrop. And it was something that before all the airdrop farming really took off, people were getting into Zksync. So if you got into that, be on the lookout. But that should be a whole bunch of new liquidity for the altcoin ecosystem and the Zksync ecosystem. So that's also something to look out for. We'll be updating you on all that on the channel. So let me know what you guys think about the overall crypto market right now. Do you think the Bitcoin or the Eth Etf is going to be approved? Do you think that Zksync is going to be a good airdrop or another dud, kind of like the Stark airdrop? Or do you think that some of the altcoins are going to continue up or head down to lower prices right now? If you would like to get into my Telegram group, just let me know. Leave a comment in the comment box and I will get you into that thing for free right now before we start charging for the Telegram group. So let me know. Y'all think positive, and positive things will happen. RIP to crypto roots, and remember, never finish a negative statement about currency. Till next time, peace.